Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to Wig Wednesday. Today I'm going to do a short video comparing two styles, Ellen Villa's Movie Star and Envy's Gia Mono. I purchased both of these wigs from Wig Studio One. I am wearing my Raquel Welch Flirt Alert in the color Shaded Biscuit. As for lighting, as you can see, of course, I'm recording in my living room. I have a ring light in front of my camera and that's all. I don't have any box lights, any studio lights, anything like that. I'm going to try to give you the best representation of these colors as I can. And so I just want to do this short comparison and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started and compare two sister styles. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to show you these side by side. This is Movie Star and this is Gia Mono. They are so very similar. When I got Gia Mono just recently, and the first thing I thought when I put it on was, oh gosh, this looks like Movie Star. So I thought you might think so too, and I would give you a comparison. Now, Movie Star, of course, from Ellen Villa. How beautiful is this? Saffron, red rooted, beachy wave, side swept bang, mono crown, extended lace front. Let me show you the inside of the cap. Like I said, it has an extended lace front and it has this small mono crown right here. It's open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, and an extended felt nape. And I love this color, saffron red rooted. Let's try it on. Okay, let's have a look. Ellen Villa Movie Star, saffron red rooted. Excuse my voice, my allergies are not playing nice today. I love saffron red rooted. Look at all these beachy waves. I like that this is off your neck. It's shorter, so it's not rubbing on your clothes, not causing any friction there. So it's very wearable. Like I said, it has a side swept bang. And as we talked about, a mono crown. Now this fits me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference and I didn't have to do any adjustment. Now if you want more detail about this wig, just go to the search bar of my channel and type in Movie Star and my review, full review that shows it in all kinds of lighting, great detail. I'm just showing you these two together today. Now it does have permatease in the top here, for sure. Now let's talk about this color. So it's described as a light copper red, which it is, with dark auburn roots. So it's just these shades of copper red and on these roots, dark auburn roots, which I think is really pretty. It's not overdone. Now let's talk about the specs. The bang of this is 7 inches. The crown is 8 inches. The sides are 6½. It has a 3-inch nape and it weighs 2.6 ounces. Okay, let's compare it to Gia Mono. Now let's just briefly talk about Envy's Gia Mono. Again, synthetic fiber, short synthetic up off your neck. So pretty. Very, very similar to Movie Star as we saw. But I want you to see the inside of this cap. Okay, now the fit on this was a tad large on me. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, just a tad. Now, there's no permatease in the top as we talked about because that's a mono top, but however, there is permatease in the side of this where the mono top ends, which is about right here. You're going to feel permatease all through here, certainly at the nape. So just to let you know, now Movie Star had permatease in the top. This does not with the mono top. And this lighter red is an Irish red with some very very subtle blonde highlights. Now the specs of this. The bang on this one is 8 inches. The crown on this one is 8.5 inches. Sides are 6.5, the nape is 3, and it weighs 2.8 ounces. Let's quickly recap the specs. I am wearing the Gia Mono, and here is Movie Star. So Movie Star's bang is 7 inches. Gia Mono bang, 8 inches. The crown of Movie Star is 8, and the crown of Gia Mono is 8.5. The sides are both 6.5 on both wigs. The nape is 3 on both wigs. Now the weight, the Gia Mono weighs 2.8 ounces, Movie Star 2.6. In my opinion, these really are true sister styles. They are so similar, with Gia Mono having, of course, the mono top, and Movie Star does not. Now, both are great wigs. It just depends on what you're looking for, what features that you want in your wig. I hope you enjoyed this short video of these two sister styles. Please leave me some comments below. Tell me, have you tried either one of these? How do you like them? And what colors do you have? Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.